Good morning, besties. Hi, how are you guys doing? So today is a Friday and I just got done ready, so I want to show you guys my cute outfit for today. But I think it would be better if outside, because we're going outside today. We're going out, like we're gonna go to Virginia first to pick a train station to pick our friend from New York, Emma. I met her through my friend Ashley, and she's coming here to visit over like just for the weekend, and she's staying at Ashley's house. So yes, she's gonna be here over the weekend, and we're just gonna show her DC, Maryland, or like Virginia, because I don't know if she's been here before. So that's like our agenda today. We're gonna show her around. So we're gonna do, I think, brunch, because she'll arrive in Maryland, I think 11:30. I'm not sure with the time, but anyways, I just got done ready. I did like a cute, like a quick makeup, and I have been loving, okay, I have been like non-stop using all like the Bralette products, and right now on my lips is their lip oil, which is my favorite. I think this is the Marrakech. They sent me this like a couple months ago, I think like last year, but yeah, I've been reaching with this one and also with the darker shade. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, I've been searching with this one. It's just like very like rosy peach like color, so freaking cute. So anyways, and also did I used their mascara and also like their eyebrows. So anyways, outfit for today is from Jaded London, the one I show you guys from the previous vlog. Like I said, I have the blue one and I have the, I think, the mint green. This is like the mint green color, so freaking cute. Don't mind the background, it's like all over the place. But anyways, I also did my hair and I match my accessories with my outfit. So in today's, like, you know, I just want to do like a quick shout out to thank Luisa for sending this cute necklace and also their earrings. So it literally match my outfit right now. So this is, I believe, the Adobe earrings right here. I'm also gonna just put a screenshot here so you guys can see better. And also, don't worry, I'll put the link on my description box below where you guys can like shop it. But yeah, I freaking love these earrings already. And like I said, it matched my outfit. I have been loving the green like colors lately, especially summertime. And also the necklace are from Luisa as well. So this is, I believe, the Mara, hold on, let me just double check. So like I said, this is their Adobe earrings. By the way, they're on sale right now. And then this is the mesh necklace. Like I said, I'm also going to put a screenshot here so you guys can look it up, or don't worry, I'll also put the link on my description box below if you guys are interested. And they also sent me two more necklaces, where I think I'm gonna feature that tomorrow, because I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow. And this is, like I said, they're also good. They have like a basic stackable necklaces, they have like a statement piece earrings, necklace, and also they have rings and bracelets. So if you guys want to check Luisa out, I'm gonna put their link on my description bar below. So right now I'm just like I said, I'm waiting for my friend Ashley to pick me up. And I think before that, I'm gonna like redo my hair, because I am kind of like over this hair already. So I'm gonna like redo them because they're still a little bit wet right now. So I'm gonna like blow dry them real quick while waiting for Ashley. Good morning, besties. So today is a Sunday and I didn't finish my vlog last Friday just because I was having so much fun with my friends, and even yesterday I was gonna like vlog, but then thinking like, you know what, I'm just gonna chill tomorrow because I just want to soak this in, like more memories together with my friends. And we had so much fun yesterday, yeah, because we started well, they were there early, like around 11 o'clock, and then I got there like almost to like 1 because like I slept like late Friday night, and then also like I just want to like get some rest because I've been working so much fucking hours like lately, so I need my rest and my body is just hurting, like it's just aching. So anyways, so today is a beautiful Sunday. She's actually our friend Alma is leaving today, and I think we're gonna drop her off back to the train station. I think she's gonna leave around no, her train leaves at 4, so we have to leave here early, like 3 or 2 something maybe. I just have to sit down because I'm so excited for this another package that I received this week. It is from the board of directors, which is the BOD. I'm gonna put their handle here on Instagram in the screen, and also leave their handle on the description box below, and also their website in the description box below. So anyways, they reached out to me and they were so nice enough to send me some of their newest, I believe this is like the newest collection only. I already opened it and unboxed it because I was so excited like what's inside here. So came with this like little cute package. I love the sticker though, like this sticker, it's just amazing. So anyways, let me just show you guys what I received. Okay, it came with a little, you know, cute packaging and all, but I destroyed it because I had to get a, you know, take a cute Instagram video. So anyways, there's this, it says, "Welcome to the board, your summer essential piece is here, thank us later." Thank you guys so much. And also this is your getaway to comfort is here, nearly nude bra. Anyway, so they sent over this like bralette, or like their newest collection bra. So this is the first one that I want to show you guys because this is like my favorite. So yeah, this is the first one. It's like sky blue mixed with like white print right here, and this one has a padding, but the good thing about this is you can take the pads out, and you can just like wear it without the pads or with the pads. That's the good thing about this, because most of the times if I don't like extra like layering, I'm just gonna like remove the pads. But other than that, that's it. Like you can wear this in front like this, or if you want to take the pads out, you can also wear this and show like the logo, which is the BOD, which is the board of the board member right here. It's just so freaking cute. And then the second one they sent me is the plain white one right here. So freaking cute as well. Now that I'm looking at the white, I'm just like I love them both. This is like a hard decision, but yeah, they sent me over this one as to this white too. Also came with a padding. Like I said, there's like a hole in here that you can like easily remove the pad. And also they sent me a matchstick, which is, it's not in here. I put it in my purse because I'm gonna plan on putting that on my car, you know, just for in case of someone wants like a light or something. Thank you so much BOD for sending this over. You guys are the best. But yeah, I'm literally planning on wearing either one of these. Maybe I want to go just like very casual, like white and, you know, like shorts, because we're going on a brunch, and then we're gonna drop our, like I said, we're gonna drop our friend Emma at the station. So I'm gonna get dressed, like, you know, wash my face. I'm just like literally like nothing. I'm just gonna plan on like wearing like no makeup today because I'm just like tired of like the back-to-back makeup. So let me just, you know, like put this together, and I think I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna wear either one and maybe like a short. I have to find like a cute short still, but yes, I'm gonna wash my face, besties, and update you guys later. Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna wear a t-shirt right now because it's very gloomy outside. Like, it's so gloomy. I'm planning on taking a pictures with wearing those like nude, I mean the bralette that they sent me, but it is so gloomy. Like, if I want to wear that, I want it somewhere like it's like sunny, but right now it's so gloomy, so I'm just gonna like wear a shirt. We're gonna eat some brunch anyway. We're gonna eat brunch first and then go all the way to Virginia and drop her off. No makeup today. Literally just like wash my face, put some sunscreen on. Sunscreen is from Supergoop. Supergoop. This is the glow stick sunscreen, and I just like kind of like brush my eyebrows with the Bralette brow, what was it, like the volumizing pomade. Favorite. I'm literally running low on this. I have to purchase it again. And also lip oil today is from Bralette as well, which is the shade Sangria. I love this. It's like giving me like a red tint to it. Literally, like, that's it. I'm not planning on being cute. I just like want to eat, have fun with my friends because it's her last day today, and also like drop her off. So yeah, this is just, I'm gonna bring this one right here, also the sunscreen. So I'm gonna bring this with me. I'm not even gonna like how do you call this, bring a bag. The bag that I'm gonna just bring is this tote bag from Trader Joe's, because I think we might go to Trader Joe's and get some groceries while we're already there. Might as well take advantage of it. So yeah, just shirt from Realization Par, and also necklace. This is the necklace that I want to show you guys from Luisa. So this is I just stacked them both because I love the look. I also did this yesterday while I was like wearing my bikini, so it's just so freaking cute. I'm gonna put like the name of it somewhere in the screen, or somewhere here, like the screenshot of it, like somewhere, so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I love like stacking like necklaces. Like, it's just giving me like, it's a look right now. But anyways, let's just go because I don't want to like, yeah, it's already like 12, almost like 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, and I think I'm just gonna vlog on my phone, on my camera, since I'm not bringing any like big bags. So yes, I'll see you besties later. Hello besties, I am back home from Trader Joe's. So I got this bag from Trader Joe's, so they don't have to use like the paper, or the brown paper bag. I also got this like tote bag right here. It's like Central Park from like it says Central Perk Friends. This tote bag, I got this from, I believe, Walmart. It's only like $2 or $3, I forgot, but I also bought that with me to Trader Joe's. So anyways, I want to do like a little not even like a little, this is quite a lot actually, Trader Joe's haul. So because I want to prep my food so I can put the laundry away, because I have like a long shift tomorrow. So I want to just it's already 8, so I'm just gonna do like a quick like I said, Trader Joe's haul. So first we have here, you know me, I want my seaweed. So this is the organic seaweed with sea salt right here. I freaking love this for a snack. And then I got some white mushrooms, since we already, for the past couple of weeks, we used the Baby Bella mushrooms. I want to switch up to the white mushrooms. And I got some, of course, more sweet snacks for me, which is the soft and juicy mango. I really love me some mango, like dried mangoes are so the best. So this is gonna be one of my snacks as well. And then I also got here, they finally got this bag, which is the brioche. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna try to pronounce this like this name right. But yeah, I got this toast they finally have this back because I think it's seasonal. Yeah, so I got two. Might as well I got two because I already tasted it and I love it, so I got two. And then of course green beans. Yeah, this is the green beans. And I also got this oat beverage right here. I haven't tried this at all, so I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna mix this with my you know, of course, like my coffee. So I got this instead. And I also got some bananas and then some ginger roots right there. And then on the next bag, hold on to the next bag, I got some chips. This is the restaurant style white corn tortilla chips. I wanna try their chips from Trader Joe's because I haven't tried their chips. I normally just we normally just buy it at the regular store, like the hint of lime, like those Tistos chips. Those are like really bomb. Yeah, but I just wanna try this chips. Also, this is not from Trader Joe's. This has been literally sitting on my trunk. This is from Harris Theater. I just got more of like this unstoppable pebbles, and this is also from Harris Theater. This is the premium olive and avocado oil blend. I love this oil. And also another one from Harris Theater. This is the only thing. It's this organic ground coffee from Chameleon right here. And I also got the keto coffee. I forgot, I'm gonna put like a picture somewhere in the screen. I also got the coffee because my friend Alina made me buy that, and it's like more of like a healthier coffee, which is amazing. Okay, I got more here. So this is the chunky salsa to top it, you know, to pair it with this chips. I also haven't tried their salsa, and I'm craving some, you know, chips and salsa, so I'm gonna try this. This is their chunky salsa. And then I also got some crumbled blue cheese. I love some blue cheese, especially with salad. I love putting this salad, like just like some cheese instead of like Parmesan. I still love Parmesan, but like I prefer crumbled blue cheese on like if I eat like salad. So gotta have that because I was like running low on some blue cheese. And then I also got here some Chipotle black bean dip. My husband loves some black beans, and he just likes black beans so much, so I'm just like, I haven't tried this before as well, so I got this for him to like try. Maybe I'll try it too. So this is like a zesty dip with hearty black beans and a smoky kick of chipotle peppers. So definitely try it with this or the salsa together. And then I also got some new stuff, which is I've been seeing everyone and their mother rave about this crunchy chili oil. Now I do have some chili oil, like the regular chili oil from the Asian market, and I literally put that chili oil on every freaking thing. It's amazing, especially if you like spicy food, or if you just like want to like have like a little kick or like extra spice. Chili oil is the freaking best. So this is new to me. I haven't like I haven't tried this chili onion, crunchy chili onion from Trader Joe's. So I'm excited to try this chili onion. Yeah, chili onion. And then also, last but not the least, I don't know if you guys saw like on my past couple of vlogs, I have been loving the Trader Joe's seasoning. They're the fucking best. They're cheap and the fucking best. It tastes fucking bomb. So this is just like my restock on some pink salt crystals, because we're literally like low on like this crystals, and I loved it. I love using this rather than like a regular salt. So yeah, also my husband loved these as well. And then also another restock, chili lime seasoning blend. You guys, you have to try this. It's a fucking amazing. Like this chili lime especially, a fucking amazing. And then this one I haven't tried, but this is everything but the elote seasoning blend right here. Excited to try these, and also excited to try their onion salt right here, right there. So these two are new, since I still have the umami mushroom, citrusy garlic. I still have those. The only thing that I'm running low was the chili lime and also the salt. So I got those, and I think, yeah, that's all it. Honestly, the total of this like whole grocery is like $45. Literally only $45. You know, of course not with these because I got that from like the other store. But anyways, I'm gonna put these groceries away so I can start, you know, putting the laundry in the dryer up, and then so I can start planning on my meal for the week, because I normally meal prep every Sunday night, so I don't have to worry about like, you know, cooking every single day for like my lunch and dinner if I'm not like, if I'm working. So anyways, bestie, I will like literally like talk to you in like 2 seconds. Okay, so before I even close this vlog, I just want to do a quick shout out to Luisa for sponsoring today's video, because you guys are amazing, and also thank you guys for sending this over. I freaking love you guys. And honestly, you have to have a staple basic pieces, especially like necklaces or like earrings, bracelet, you name it, like rings. They have those like pieces, like staple pieces, and I just really like love them. Also, their pieces starts at $39, and you can actually get 20% off of their summer sale right now. I'm also gonna put the link on my description box below, so you guys can definitely check Luisa out. So anyways, I am glad that you watched this whole video, loves, because I really tried to be a vlogger, okay? I be trying here, okay? I'm like just striving. But anyways, new month, August 1st is a new month, new beginning, and I'm also gonna try my very best, okay? I'm gonna try my very best to keep uploading. And like, I have been slacking, and I always tell this on my freaking vlog that I've been slacking, and I know I am slacking. But anyways, I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try to vlog more, and also you know, do like sit down videos. But like I said, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next, because I'm like lacking off like any ideas. I need to like, you know, I need to think outside the box of like what to film for you guys, you know. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I mean, might as well, you freaking watch the whole video. Like, what are you doing, sis? Anyways, I love you, besties, and have a great day, great night, great evening, whatever you are in this world. I love you, and I'm gonna give you a goodbye kiss. Mwah.